morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I am freezing. I am headed to hot yoga. I kind of just want to update you after the class because it's really early and I feel like I'm going on a flight. I do feel awake and I feel like this lighting is so bad because it's so dark out. So I will talk to you guys after the hot yoga class. It is 5:30 in the morning, so I'm just gonna get up and start my day. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello. Is my face as dark as my sweatshirt? I think so. Good morning, everybody. I don't know if I ended up cutting the clip that was me at 5:30 in the morning because the lighting was so bad, but hello, good morning. My name is Taylor if you're new to my channel. Hey, today I'm going to be filming a vlog because it's only 7 o'clock in the morning and that means we have a huge day ahead of us. So, kind of just gonna take you guys along. I just actually went to hot yoga. I've been doing hot yoga for the past week just to try it out, something new. And I actually didn't hate it. It wasn't terrible. The first couple times I was nervous about it just because I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with a really hot room, but myself and Amanda did it, one of my good friends. So we did regular hot yoga a couple times with 2 different instructors. And then I was like, why don't we do the TRX? Because, hey, we bought this pass for 10 days for like 30 bucks. Hello?
I just wanted to say hi to the vlog. I can see you talking to yourself.
I was like, is she gonna think I'm on the phone or? Early morning vlog, say hi.
Hi.
Just giving a recap. So we tried the TRX, which honestly, I really liked the instructor. She was super nice and really helpful. And like, can we just ignore the huge pimple that I have on the center of my forehead? Not my forehead, like the center of my eyebrows. It's pretty bad. But I think my favorite part about the hot yoga is like the hot part. I don't know if I'm necessarily a yoga girl. That's why I feel like this TRX was really different. So overall, really enjoyed it. Started my morning. I can't believe it's 7 o'clock. Usually I get up at 7 o'clock, so this is kind of weird for me to get up a few hours early, but I feel pretty good. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have some fun today, get a lot done. My first plan of attack is to make breakfast, even though I did have a banana before I went to the class and an English muffin, because I need my fuel. I'm gonna make breakfast. So recently, I mean, I've always been obsessed with pumpernickel bread, but it's my new thing right now. Love pumpernickel bread egg sandwiches. Is that weird? I don't know. I know I look like an absolute wreck and I am so pale. I'm going to make my egg sandwich and then reply to some emails because I didn't go through them last night, and then I have to take a bio quiz online for my online class. Gonna make my pumpernickel bread and probably get ready for the day after I go through all my emails. Which, like, I love going through emails. I feel like that's weird, but just deleting emails, replying to emails, it's like one of my favorite things. Alright guys, I am ready for the day and it's only like 9:30, which is pretty killer. I just threw on this cute little Zara turtleneck sweatshirt and some jeans. I feel great. I'm really happy that I did the early class because it's like, okay, now I have my entire day to take on and I feel really energized and excited. I'm debating on changing out my earrings. I ordered these on Amazon and I tried them on and I actually really like them. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I need to be really tan or have my hair done to wear like dressier earrings, so we might just pass on those earrings. I've been watching YouTube videos, so I'm just gonna watch some more YouTube videos for like 20 minutes because I love to watch YouTube videos. Okay, so guys, I really need my roots done. I feel like I am honestly a brunette at this point. My friend Paige and I are going to Ulta, so I have to go fill up my tank because I have no gas. I feel really pale, so I like threw on a ton of bronzer, mostly because I did like dermaplane my face, and when you dermaplane your face, you're not supposed to like put anything on your face afterwards, so I didn't use my self tanner, which I've been using a lot. I recently just got a car tripod, so that's why like things are kind of moving right now because I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm gonna go fill my tank, go to Ulta. I'll definitely do like a little Ulta haul afterward because I do have so many points that I have to spend. I didn't know that they were expiring, but I have like over $150 worth of points. So we're definitely gonna do some shopping. And then I'm probably going to grab lunch because I know I'm gonna be hungry afterward and probably not want to cook, so I'll take you along. I'm gonna go fill my tank. Okay, the question is there even meat in this? No, but seriously, I feel like Chipotle's been skimping me out. I have to ask for like extra everything while I see them doing it. I am gonna eat this bowl. I am so looking forward to it. I just got home. I am really hungry. I knew this was coming. I knew I was gonna be starving. I am gonna eat my bowl and then I'm going to show you guys all the stuff I got. We did kind of walk around in there for a while because we were just chatting, and then I was like, I really don't know what to get. I don't know about you guys, but I am so picky when it comes to makeup shopping because I need to know that that product has a good review before I buy it. So it kind of took me a while, but I will show you guys what I got. Okay guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you what I got from Ulta. So as I mentioned before, I did have points to spend, money to spend at Ulta because they were expiring by the end of this month. And I actually didn't end up spending all of them because I was getting like super indecisive and had like $50 more to spend and didn't know what to get. So I said I'll just do it online or I'll go back before the month ends. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got, and this only cost me $1. They charged me like $1.55 or something. Let's dive in. First things first, I got this Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I have this at my boyfriend Patrick's house, and I have a different one at my house, and I feel like when I leave his house using this, my skin feels a little bit better than the one that I use, so I got the jumbo one. Next thing I got is another one of my staples. This is the CeraVe moisturizing. Oh my gosh, I am so dumb. I just oh my god, CeraVe was having a buy one get one 40% off.
And you only got one?
And I only got one because I thought this was CeraVe.
That's Cetaphil.
I know.
Say it out loud.
It's Cetaphil. I could have just got 2 of these, buy one get one 40% off, but it's fine. I'm actually kind of mad. I got these 2 things that I already always use. Next thing I got was the Thayer's Witch Hazel Tone. I've been wanting this for like a really long time. I've been debating on getting it on Amazon, but I wanted just the original. Heard really good things about it and how witch hazel is actually really good for your skin. The next thing I got was the Real Technique sponges. Mine is like really dirty. We're just gonna ignore that. And I can't find these at TJ Maxx. I did mention this in my TJ Maxx makeup video. If you haven't seen that, definitely check it out. But I haven't been able to find them at TJ Maxx, so I had to get them from Ulta. Okay, makeup time. Everybody's favorite part. I got the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Light. I have owned this before. Really love it, and it goes really nicely on my skin. Looking forward to using this when I self-tan because the light is actually too dark for me. I haven't been able to find something that I like better than this, but I'm always looking to try new things. If you guys know of any light, kind of similar texture to this that I can put on my face. I don't like to wear a ton of makeup, so this is kind of good for me. Let me know in the comments down below. The next thing I picked up is the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I'm kind of late on this train. Like, this was obviously of rage like over a year ago, but I've been wanting to try a new concealer and I thought this would be the perfect one to try. I just got it in shade Fair. Hopefully that one works for me. I'm gonna try it out this week. The next thing I got is kind of random and I don't really know why I got it, but it's something that I've never tried before. It is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. It's basically one of the cream blushes. I don't know. It's in the shade 19L3, and this is something that I feel like inspired my entire Ulta trip. Is that weird? This is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I haven't even tried it, but I watched a couple videos. I watched this girl's video. I'll leave a link in the description below of the video I watched. Basically, this girl did a review of a ton of different lip glosses, including a ton of different clear lip glosses, and she didn't try this one out, but I am a huge comment reader, and every person commented to get this. They're like, no, this is the best one. If you haven't tried it, like, this is the best one, so we're gonna try it. It kind of tastes like my childhood in a weird way. Like, you know those play lip glosses that we all used to play with? I think we like it. I don't have a clear lip gloss. I have one, but it's like really sticky and it's from Buxom, so I feel like I'm gonna give this a shot. If it's actually worth it in the end, I will keep you guys updated. Now for something that I definitely did not need. If you guys have seen my eyeshadow collection, you know that this is probably unuseful. I'm like, that has so many shades that I don't have and a lot of matte shades. This is the Morphe 350 Nature glow. These palettes are only $25, so I feel like it was kind of like a gimme. I'm like, okay. Okay, so yeah. Did I need this? No. Did I want it? Yes. And was I going to use my points on it? Yeah. I feel like it just has a ton of natural shades, some neutrals and matte shades that I need in my life. A lot of my other eyeshadows are very glittery and sparkly, and all I want in my life are some matte shades, and there's so many. Very excited to use all this, and I feel like I got a good amount of stuff for the amount of money that I spent. I spent $1. So yes, that's just like kind of a little mini haul inserted into this vlog. You're welcome. So Patrick and I, he's been sitting here the entire time as I film this, we are going to go to Treehouse Brewery. If you guys are beer lovers, you probably know of Treehouse. We only live like, what is it, an hour? 45 minutes?
Less, yeah.
Yeah, it's like 45 minutes away. So we're gonna go enjoy some beer, continue our day, because it is only 1 o'clock. I feel like I have already done so much. I feel like this morning was a different day than it is right now. You can tell that I definitely have more energy than I did before, because I'm just realizing that my day is kind of just starting again. Let's go to the brewery. We're at Treehouse, waiting in line for food. He's getting cans. I'm getting nothing. Hopefully draft is open later. Okay, we are at Treehouse. We got our beers. I got an Imperial. And is this a porter or stout? We got the split. I just used one ticket and split them.
Hello. We're also randomly watching some guy's beer. He decided to trust us.
Yeah, he said you look like there's dogs. It's probably really loud and you guys probably can't hear me. But we're gonna enjoy our beer.
Cheers. It's a great place to be.
Talk to you guys later. Okay guys, we are back home. It is like almost 8 o'clock at night. I am really tired. We actually spent so much time at the brewery and just chatted and had a good time. But at this point, I'm really tired and we're just gonna relax for the night. We are going to have dinner and have maybe a couple cans that Patrick purchased, which I'm definitely looking forward to, and then I have an early morning tomorrow, so probably not gonna go to bed too late. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more vlogs from me, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. I do upload videos every week. My Instagram and fitness Instagram are down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.